In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 1099-NEC form to TurboTax. This is an essential step for anyone who has received non-employee compensation during the tax year. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or small business owner, accurately reporting this income is crucial for staying compliant with tax regulations. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to TurboTax Online for the current tax year, in this case 2025. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to create one and provide the necessary information to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Income section on the dashboard. Clicking on this will guide you to different income categories that TurboTax covers. This section is where you'll report the various forms of income you've earned throughout the year, and where you'll eventually add your 1099-NEC form. Next, you'll want to click on Wages and Income Summary. This step helps you get a comprehensive view of all your income sources. It's an overview page that lets you see what income types you've already reported and what still needs to be added. It's always a good idea to double-check this summary to ensure you're not missing any vital income information. Once you're in the Wages and Income Summary, you'll need to navigate to the Self-Employment section. This area is specifically tailored for individuals who receive income from self-employment, which includes those who receive a 1099-NEC. By clicking on Self-Employment, you move a step closer to entering your non-employee compensation details. Now, look for the option that says Start or Revisit. If you've previously entered some self-employment information, it might say Revisit. Click on it to begin or continue entering your self-employment income details. This option will take you through a series of prompts to enter the specifics of your 1099-NEC form. Be sure to have your 1099-NEC form handy, as you'll need the payer's information, your total compensation, and any other relevant details listed on the form. Remember to review all the entries carefully before finalizing them. It's important to ensure that all the information matches the details on your physical 1099-NEC form to avoid discrepancies. TurboTax will guide you through the process with prompts and checks, making it easier to ensure accuracy. Once you've completed all these steps, TurboTax will integrate the information into your overall tax return. This is crucial in calculating your total tax liability or refund. By following these steps, you can confidently add your 1099-NEC to TurboTax, ensuring that your tax filing is both accurate and straightforward. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your tax preparation journey.